Today we study about building formula. Microsoft Excel is a powerful software for calculation. It uses two methods for calculation. One is formulas and the second is function. Formulas are simple calculations, simple statements built by you. To know these functionalities, you should be familiar with mathematics basics. Explaining some terms at the beginning. Let's start. This is called the plus sign, which will add value. This is called minus sign, which subtracts value. This sign is called asterisk. This sign will multiply the value. Forward dash will divide the value. Next is percentage. It will find the percentage of a value, and caret will find the exponential value. Coming to some other terms, the comparison operator. This sign is called equal. One value is equal to another value. This sign is called greater than. One value is greater than another value. And this sign is called less than. One value is less than another value. This sign is called greater and equal. This sign mean smaller, and equal and mean one value is smaller and equal to another value. One value is unequal to another value. This is an equality sign.